Oh, no. What letters you got?
It's Mama.
It's Mama. Let me see.
Mama.
That's a Mama. Very good. Where's your other letters? What other letters you got? What other ones you got?
Papa.
That's for Papa. Very good.
Yes.
Yeah, right there. Papa. Very good. Okay, what other ones you got?
Papa.
There's a Bubba. There's a Bubba.
Ah, B for Bubba.
No, I don't want that.
They don't stick on that part.
No,
What other letters you got?
no.
What other ones? Over there, what other ones you got?
Ba.
There's
That's-
a T for Taylor.
Ba for baby. Baba.
But there's T for Taylor.
There's
T.
for Taylor. What one is that?
Three.
T.
Two.
Oh,
And there's a
two.
2. Is that the 2? That's a 2.
You're so cute.
What about the D for Dad? Where's D for Dad? Very good.
Please.
Okay, wait. First say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Papa.
Say I love you. Say I love you.